Hey everybody, this one's a short one today because it's a pretty short slideshow. So as we learn more and more about medical technology, as we learn more about biology, we learn a lot more about medical technologies, like ways to apply that. So basically what we look at is, nowadays, because of our research, we can do things medically that we couldn't have done before. But it raises questions about what the ethical implications of these new technologies are. So an ethical implication is, it's not like, can we do it? But the ethics are like, should we do it? So if we look at some of these examples, some new ones are genetic engineering of animals, including humans. We can genetically engineer a human. The technology is there to do it. We can do it, but should we do it? We can grow artificial organs. So instead of waiting for organ transplants, we can start to grow some artificial organs. Some of our biggest successes have been like growing artificial skin. It's not perfect, but we're getting there. And then we can combine genes from different animals and plants and combine them together. So here are a few things of how medical technologies have helped us in the past, right? Our ultrasound technology is getting a lot better. We can do genetic testing. So a lot of times women who are pregnant will get genetic testing done to see if there are any abnormalities in the developing fetus, so they can better prepare themselves. MRIs, cell cultures, antibiotic research, antiviral research, and vaccines are all examples of medical technology that we've developed either recently or in the past. And these are, they're all very helpful. And obviously, as medical technology gets further, we're going to be researching more and more. But the questions are always, is this a good thing? Should we pursue it or not? The one we're going to focus on in this course a little bit is stem cells. So we talked a little bit before, stem cells are blank cells, which means they can eventually become any type of cell in the human body. It's kind of neat because you can inject stem cells and they'll just sort of become whatever cells they're near. Now that's oversimplified, but in general that's how it works. Because of this, there's a lot of research that's going on how we can best use them. Some ways that we can use them, and these are just a few, but some of them are like repairing the spinal cord. And we've done this on some animals where the spinal cord was damaged, and we could use stem cells to have the spinal cord heal itself to a degree. So people who've been injured in an accident, maybe have lost the use of their legs, maybe with advanced stem cell research we can bring that functionality back. Same thing with eye cells. The eye is pretty complex and it doesn't heal very well. So maybe some stem cells can help us to reverse blindness or to repair the pancreas. So people who have diabetes, perhaps we can repair the pancreas and cure that. Now, these are pretty amazing things that we can do, and there's lots more that all rely on stem cells. However, stem cell research has faced challenges over the years, and around the world, research has been limited by laws surrounding the ethics of stem cell tissue. So, for example, a few years ago, Canada halted advances in stem cell research. Before that, the United States did. And the big concerns are the stem cells for research being obtained ethically or not? We're not going to go too deep into it in the course because this is just basically touching on the fact that we have the advances for technologies, but the question is always, should we? And the problem almost always with these should questions is that really depends person to person. I might think, yeah, we should totally go ahead with this technology. And another person might think, well, I don't know if that's exactly what I think is ethical. So there's a lot of room for debate. And that's it. There's not a lot of factual stuff in this unit, but I just want to make you aware of these things and hopefully encourage you to pay attention to the news, because there's a lot of exciting biotechnology research, especially with genetic engineering coming to be a mature technology that you'll just want to keep your eyes open for. So that's about it for now. And that's it for this unit. So other than that, good luck on the bio test, and email me if you have any questions.